Want to lose weight fast, but without crazy crash diets or spending hours in the gym? In this video, I'm sharing 7 simple, science-backed tips to help you drop pounds quickly and keep them off, all while staying healthy. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fat Dropping. I'm Erica, and if you're looking to burn fat, feel better, and boost your energy, you're in the right place. Now, before we dive in, remember this. Healthy weight loss is about making sustainable changes. These tips will help you see results quickly, but more importantly, they'll set you up for long-term success. Tip 1. Focus on protein. First up, prioritize protein at every meal. Protein keeps you full longer, boosts your metabolism, and helps your body burn more calories, even at rest. Here's a simple trick. Add eggs or Greek yogurt for breakfast. Include chicken, fish, beans, or tofu for lunch and dinner. Aim for at least 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal, and you'll notice fewer cravings and more steady energy. Tip 2. Cut liquid calories. Soda, sweetened coffee drinks, and even some smoothies can sneak in hundreds of extra calories a day. Swap them for water, sparkling water, or black coffee, and you could save 500 calories a day without even trying. Tip 3. Control portions without starving. You don't have to eat tiny meals to lose weight, but you do need to be mindful of portions. Here's an easy formula for a balanced plate. Half your plate veggies, a quarter lean protein, a quarter whole grains or starchy carbs. This keeps you satisfied while still creating a calorie deficit for weight loss. Tip 4. Move more throughout the day. Exercise doesn't have to mean spending 2 hours at the gym. NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, is the secret. That's just a fancy way of saying move more during the day. Take the stairs. Walk after meals. Park further away. Stretch every hour. These little movements add up and can burn an extra 200 to 400 calories a day. Tip 5. Strength training equals fat loss. If you want to lose fat fast and look toned, strength training is key. Lifting weights or even body weight exercises like squats, push-ups, or planks builds lean muscle. And more muscle means a faster metabolism, so you burn more calories even when resting. Tip 6. Prioritize sleep. Sleep might be the most underrated weight loss tool. When you don't sleep enough, hunger hormones go crazy, making you crave sugary and fatty foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to keep your metabolism and appetite in check. Tip 7. Start small and stay consistent. Finally, start small. Pick 1 or 2 habits from this video to focus on this week. Maybe it's drinking more water, adding protein, or walking after dinner. Consistency beats perfection every time. The key to quick, healthy weight loss is building changes you can actually stick with. So there you have it, 7 simple strategies for quick, healthy weight loss. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. And every small step you take moves you closer to your goals. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and let me know in the comments which of these tips are you starting with today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.